I can't tell you how happy and proud we were to be chosen by Dacia Renault to complete their projects, their new headquarters in Bucharest. And I take this opportunity to thank Renault to give us this trust. And I'm so happy that we were able to complete a project of such magnitude, certainly the biggest ever in the 22 years of COS existence. And I don't recall a project so big anywhere in Bucharest at any time. So very proud of this and very proud of our partners and of our team. And among our partners that did all the efforts to complete it were Steelcase, Narbutas and Interface. And I thank them also for this. Thank you.
Renault Romania is one of the most challenging, but in the same time rewarding project during my 24 years career at Steelcase. Why this performance? A great coordination and teamwork between Corporate Office Solutions salespeople, Steelcase local manager and Steelcase global account manager for Renault, a consistent sales and pricing strategy, and last but not least, the quality of Steelcase products proposed to Renault.
Regarding the implementation, we knew from the beginning that a proper planning for all 5 months was a must. Adding that the chosen furniture solutions were provided by over 15 different suppliers and the total volume exceeded the capacity of more than 80 trucks, together with our logistic team, we carefully planned and scheduled each delivery and installation. Besides planning, other crucial factors of the success of the project were the speed in taking the right decisions and the ability to react and find solutions when unforeseen situations appear, because they always do. The result of the hard work of the entire COS project team was the complete delivery of 7 floors of standard and custom-made furniture and a very satisfied partner, Renault Romania. Thank you again for choosing COS as a partner for this amazing project.
As flooring department coordinator in COS, I was in charge of the delivery and installation of the carpet. The approximately 27,000 square meters of carpet represented the largest project in COS in terms of flooring. The success of winning this project comes in an anniversary year, 10 years since COS became the Interface exclusive partner for the Romanian market. Considering the size of the project and the tight delivery term, I'm proud that our team efforts contributed to this success story.
Bye.